Topic 1. Australia and its people. Question 1. Who were the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people? A. People who live in Australia today. B. People who lived in Australia during the 15th century. C. The descendants of the first inhabitants of Australia. D. The first inhabitants of Australia.
1. Aboriginalและ Torres Strait Islander minungpol tu zebentukdaan si A. Nihin Australia rama omni B. Alwantia kumzbu thaingaliwa Australia omni C. Australia ram mima sabik na I antifan ha D. Australia ram I mima sabik na.
The correct answer is D. The first inhabitants of Australia. 2. Where do the Aboriginal people hail from? A. Mainland Australia and Tasmania. B. Mainland Australia and Gulf of Mexico. C. Mainland Australia only. D. Both A and B.
2. Aboriginal minungpol tu kuzainda aramin si A. Mainland Australia le Tasmania B. Mainland Australia le Gulf of Mexico C. Mainland Australia Lawin D. E hai B hai.
The correct answer is A. Mainland Australia and Tasmania. Question 3. When did the Aboriginal people arrive in Australia? A. 500 years ago. B. Between 65,000 and 40,000 years ago. C. 1,000 years ago. D. 5,000 years ago.
Zaitik in the Aboriginal minungpol tu Australian Park A. Kum Zavaluanchia B. Kum Tongsom Puglatongain Tongsom di Karlakluanchia C. Kum Tongkatluanchia D. Kum Tongaluanchia.
The correct answer is B. Between 65,000 and 40,000 years ago. 4. What association do the Aboriginal people have in the creation of Australia? A. They played no role in the creation of Australia. B. They were somewhat involved in the creation of Australia. C. They were central to the creation of Australia. D. They migrated to Australia after it was booming.
Australia sarsiam nakta Aboriginal minungponi zaiban tu petlenada nge A. Australia sarnaka zaiman antuami umlo B. Australia sarnatsa antuami umbangliko C. Australia sarnaka ahampi at kurpi central C. D. Australia atranchodi nuwa arapemi C.
The correct answer is C. They were central to the creation of Australia. Question 5. Where do Torres Strait Islander people hail from? A. They come from the islands of Asia. B. They come from the islands of North America. C. They come from the islands of Africa. D. They come from the islands between the northern tip of Queensland and Papua New Guinea.
Torres Strait Islander minungpol tu kuzainda andret A. Asia tikul in B. North America tikul in C. Africa tikul in D. Queensland le Papua New Guinea karak tikul raun.
The correct answer is D. They come from the islands between the northern tip of Queensland and Papua New Guinea. Question 6. How is the deep connection of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples felt with the country? A. It is expressed in their art. B. It is expressed in their stories. C. It is expressed in their dance. D. All of the above.
Aboriginal minungle Torres Strait Islander minungpol tu zaitinda anramkowa pitle nak tuk nge A. Anzung moi in B. Antuambia in C. Anlamin D. Achung levilte dilakin.
The correct answer is D. All of the above. Question 7. Which culture is an important part of Australia's identity? A. Indian culture. B. Homogeneous culture. C. indigenous culture. D. None of the above.
Zaibantuk nun pungda Australia sinaka abapimi pratasi. A. India nun pung. B. Akadimi nun pung. C. Mimasabik na nun pung. D. Achung lay ansan halo.
The correct answer is C. Indigenous culture. 8. What type of violence is illegal in Australia? A. Physical abuse. B. Verbal abuse. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above.
Australia rama zaibantuk pungborda ba puning lo asi. A. Taksa in fatnak harna piber. B. Internet online chongin fatnak harna per. C. A labi in. D. Achung lay ansan halo.
The correct answer is C. Both A and B. Question 9. When did the European settlement start in Australia? A. June 12, 1770. B. November 22, 1780. C. January 26, 1788. D. March 16, 1790.
Zaitik in the European Polni Australia umpram mantok.
The correct answer is C. January 26, 1788. Question 10. What is European settlement Australia? A. People migrated from Europe to Australia. B. The first 11 convict ships arrived from Great Britain to Australia. C. Australia opened its borders for trade. D. All of the above.
European Pol Australia kusak naksu zeda asi. A. European minung to Australia and Rapem. B. Avoid kat nak misor portu tilon to Great Britain in Australia Rapan. C. Australia ni ramri to chole tal tona dinga aon. D. Achung leviote answer D.
The correct answer is B. The first 11 convict ships arrived from Great Britain to Australia. What is the first fleet? A. The first 11 convict ships that arrived from Great Britain to Australia. B. The first 10 convict ships that arrived from Great Britain to Australia. C. The first 9 convict ships that arrived from Great Britain to Australia. D. The first 8 convict ships that arrived from Great Britain to Australia.
First fleet to zeda asi. A. Swell potni portu tilon to Great Britain in Australia and Japan. B. Tilong Perha. C. Tilong Pakwa. D. Tilong Periet.
The correct answer is A. The first 11 convict ships that arrived from Great Britain to Australia.